Hello everyone, in this video we shall study about input tax credit. So GST network has said it has blocked rupees 14,000 crore worth of input tax credit of 66,000 businesses registered under goods and service tax. The government had introduced Rule 86A in GST rules in December 2019, giving powers to taxmen to block the ITC, that is input tax credit, available in the electronic credit ledger of a taxpayer if the official has reasons to believe that the input tax credit was availed fraudulently. What is input tax credit? It is the tax that a business pays on a purchase and that it can use to reduce its tax liability when it makes a sale. In simple terms, input tax credit means at the time of paying tax on output, you can reduce the tax you have already paid on inputs and pay the balance amount. Exceptions: a business under composition scheme cannot avail of input tax credit. Input tax credit cannot be claimed for personal use or for goods that are exempt. Concerns over its misuse. There could be possibilities of misuse of the provision by unscrupulous businesses by generating fake invoices just to claim tax credit. As much as 80% of the total GST liability is being settled by input tax credit and only 20% is deposited as cash. Under the present dispensation, there is no provision for real-time matching of input tax credit claims with the taxes already paid by suppliers of inputs. Currently, there is a time gap between the input tax credit claim and matching them with the taxes paid by suppliers, and there is a possibility of input tax credit being claimed on the basis of fake invoices. So these are important diagram. uh, Tax on sales, output GST, tax, less tax on purchase, tax on expense, tax on machine input GST or ITC, GST payable or GST credit balance ITC. Thank you. I hope you all like this video.